Well, it's finally arrived, the imaginatively titled iPhone SE for 2022, Apple's latest budget iPhone. Aesthetically, it's exactly the same as the iPhone SE from 2020. But again, it's not the design where the changes have been made. It's internally where the real improvements are. And this is an impressive phone. But first, if you haven't done so already, please help support the channel by subscribing today. It is free and it would be very much appreciated. So let's briefly run through what this phone offers and whether you should get one or not. The first thing to talk about with this phone is the design. There is nothing revolutionary here. It is the same design as the SE from 2020, which in turn is the same design as the iPhone 8 released in September 2017, a phone that's now been discontinued. Now personally, I like this design. It's comfortable to hold, lightweight, and fits easily in the pocket. It also comes with a haptic touch physical home button with Touch ID. However, as much as I like this old design, I do wish Apple had done something a little different this time, even if it was only a slight change. For example, perhaps making the bezels on the front a little smaller, or even adding Face ID, or perhaps even adding a better screen. But then any changes like this would increase the overall cost of this phone, as Apple would have to redesign the design. However, they wouldn't be adding anything they haven't done before. It just feels like it needs something a little different this time. Something that says this is the new iPhone SE. That said, it is their budget iPhone, so perhaps it makes sense why Apple are keeping their costs down. So old and uninspiring though the design may be, it's again internally where the real changes have been made. And this phone offers incredible performance that beats all the competition. All thanks to the A15 Bionic chip. The A15 Bionic chip is currently the most powerful smartphone chip in the world. And Apple have included it in this year's SE, along with 4GB of RAM, which to give some perspective is exactly what you'll find inside the more expensive iPhone 13. The chip comes with a 6-core CPU and a 4-core GPU, meaning not only can it handle the most demanding games and apps, but also multiple tasks at the same time. It also means Apple will continue to support this phone with software updates for many years to come, longer than any other smartphone manufacturer. And it doesn't just stop there. The chip is also more power efficient, helping to improve the phone's battery life, and provides improved computational photography. So let's talk about the camera. The phone comes with the same camera hardware as the previous SE from 2020. There's still a single 12-megapixel camera lens on the back and a 7-megapixel camera lens on the front. Now personally, I don't mind the camera on the back, but it would have been good to see a 12-megapixel camera lens added to the front too. However, camera hardware aside, Apple have improved the SE's image processing, where it now comes with photographic styles, Deep Fusion and Smart HDR4. Photographic styles allow you to change the warmth and tone of an image through what Apple calls semantic rendering. These are effectively different colour presets that are applied to an image whilst maintaining natural skin tones. Deep Fusion in short improves the detail of a photo, and Smart HDR4 improves the colour, contrast and lighting for each subject within a photo, making images more true to life. The overall effect is fantastic, providing images which are clear, rich in colour and have fine detail. And for this phone's price point, I have no complaints about it. Video is also very good, keeping to what the previous SE had, the ability to film in 4K at 60 frames per second. Another big change to this year's SE is the long-awaited addition of 5G. In 2020, Apple added 5G to their iPhone 12 range, And finally, it's been added to this year's iPhone SE. The absence of 5G has been a sticking point for some, and rightly so, as it offers significant cellular speed improvements over 4G. However, although 5G isn't widely available as 4G at present, coverage is increasing. So if you are planning on getting a new phone that will last a few years, then it's worth making sure it's 5G enabled. And then there's the larger battery, which combined with the efficiency of the A15 Bionic chip means this phone should comfortably last over a day with medium use. So is the iPhone SE for 2022 a phone you should get? Well, there is nothing flashy about this old design, and with a 1334 by 750 pixel resolution, the screen is the same as the previous model. The camera doesn't come with night mode, nor does it come with a wide-angled lens, telephoto lens, nor macro mode, features which you'll find on the more expensive iPhone 13 Pro models. If you'd like to learn more about macro mode, click on my video link in the description below. But for the price, what you do get is the most powerful smartphone in the world. A phone that comes with a good camera, is easy to hold and carry around, has a good battery life, and comes with 5G, and one which will last you many years to come. And that's it, the new iPhone SE for 2022. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe below and then watch these videos. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.